Jellyfish are technically immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii species can transform back into their juvenile form after reaching adulthood, essentially resetting their life cycle. This remarkable ability allows them to potentially live forever, avoiding the natural death that other organisms face. By reverting their cells to a more primitive state, they sidestep aging and start anew, making them a subject of intense scientific fascination. Imagine a creature that defies the very concept of mortality, continuously cycling through life stages in an endless loop. This discovery is pushing the boundaries of our understanding of biology and aging.